Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
We'll continue with the class of solving equations. Okay. So I'll take attendance later.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, listen to me. Can you read this? Should I zoom in?
No need.
No
Is
need.
it okay?
Yes.
No, if it was like this, you can read.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, okay. So otherwise, we won't get space to write. Okay. If I make it now, is it okay if I keep it here?
Yes, ma'am.
You can read, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. So that I can write by the side. Okay. So let us answer this. 1/5 of a number minus 4, that is over. Third one we were answering. Select. If I
Yes.
take
One
3
we
4, that
finished.
is over.
Ma'am, finished. Third one finished. Now fourth one.
Read that question and can you tell me the
Yes.
equation?
When I subtract 11 from twice the numbers, the result was 15.
So the number, I'll tell you.
X
Wait.
11 equals to
Z. I'll give you the letter to be taken.
Z.
K. Okay, K. Let the number be K. So
2x minus 11 is equal to 15.
2K.
2x minus
2K minus 11.
2k
Have taken the
minus
letter as
11
K.
is equal
Minus
to
11.
K. Okay, 2K.
Answer is 13.
2K answer is 13.
15.
Okay.
13.
15 is the result.
Yes. Let me ask somebody else also. Otherwise, they won't understand. Okay.
Ma'am, I got
Yeah.
KS 13.
Yes, Rudra. Hello, Rudra. Can you hear me, Rudra? Speakers, you switch off the speakers.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Google
go.
speaker is unmuted.
Speaker, you switch off if you want to speak only. Switch on that, okay? Otherwise, whatever fighting is going on in the at home will be heard here. Okay, Rudra, can you tell me what is it? Can you explain D? When I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 50. So I am giving you the letter T as unknown. So tell me the equation. T is the letter. We will suppose let T be the number. Okay. T be the number. So question is, when I subtracted 11 from twice the number, the
Ma'am,
result was 50. So tell me the equation.
ma'am, K or
K. Okay, not T, K.
K, right?
K.
Thirteen.
13.
I also got 13.
Rudra, I am asking only the equation. Rudra, I am asking only the equation. Can you frame an equation for that? Question D.
Ma'am, the question was to Rudra.
Rudra. I didn't ask the final answer to her, only the equation. Okay,
Ma'am, I told the answer.
find out. Pranavatmak, are you listening to the class or somewhere else?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the equation, Pranavatmak?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
2k minus 11
Hmm.
equals
Mm.
15.
2k minus 11 is equal to 15. Okay, Rudra. Rudra. Tell me the equation. Same thing. I can't hear you.
Audio problem. She's saying something.
You have any problem? Audio problem?
I'm getting the K.
K. We took, no, it's not compulsory. I am giving you so that everybody can write the same answer. That's what. Okay. Otherwise, for each person, each answer will come. 2k. So answer is 2k minus, I can't hear you, Rudra. 2k minus 11 is equal to
Ma'am, now
5.
can you hear me?
You are speaking? Okay. Yes, I can hear you. So can you, okay, wait, I'll ask another question to you. This one is when I subtracted 11 from twice a number. So 2k is the number. 2k minus 11 is equal to how much? 15. So when you solve it, what you will get? 2k is equal to 15 plus 11.
10 plus 11.
2k is equal to 26.
26.
K
Then we have
is
to divide.
equal to 26 by 2.
K is 26 divided by 2, 13.
Equal to 13.
13.
30. Okay.
Required number is 30.
Yes. Afin, why you were not present in the previous class? Huh?
I was there for something.
No, last class you were not there when I took the attendance. Now if you enter, you will not understand anything. Okay. Write down the answers. Next question. Rudra, try to answer the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, should I read the question?
Yeah, read the question and then answer it.
Munna subtracts twice the number of notebooks
he has
from 50.
Mm.
He finds the result to be 8.
Okay. So I'll be giving, let the number of notebooks with Munna be X. Okay. Let the number of notebooks with Munna be X. So frame an equation and tell me.
Ma'am, 50 minus 3x equals to
50
8.
minus 3x equals
8.
Okay. 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Now solve it.
And
Okay.
we can write 3x minus 15.
No. Answer will be wrong. Okay. So answer is, she subtracted from 50, isn't it? So answer is 50 minus 3x from 50. Okay. From 50 she subtracted. So 50 should come first. Otherwise answer will be wrong. So solve it. What is the answer you are getting?
3.
90.
Answer is?
19.
No.
58 by 3.
14.
58 you are getting?
Yes, ma'am. 58.
Yes, ma'am, 58.
58 by 3.
By
What is the
3.
sign of this number?
Because
14. I'm 14.
plus
Right?
sign
14 is the answer.
I'm 14.
14 is the 14 is the 14 is the answer. 50 when you take to this side, it becomes minus 50. 3x is equal to 8 minus 50. Because if a number stands without any sign, it is considered as positive. So positive 50, when you take to the other side, it will become negative. So minus 3x equals 8 minus 50. What is it? It is negative 48. Sorry, 42. So what is 3x? Negative 3x equals negative 42. Okay. So what is x is equal to minus 42 by minus 3.
Negative 40.
Negative 14.
14.
Is the answer.
answer.
X is equal to positive 14. Not negative 14, positive 14.
Positive.
Because
Positive
both are
14.
negative, isn't it?
Yes.
Both are negative. So answer is Positive 14.
Positive.
Johain, are you feeling sleepy? Then you answer the next question, Johain. Can you answer the next question? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question. Ebinail. Okay. Ebinail thinks of a number.
If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, will she get 8?
She will get 8. So what is the number? That's the question. So we'll take let the number be y. Y. Let the number be y.
And
Ma'am,
Wait.
ma'am, this negative 3x is equal to negative 42. That is which question, ma'am?
Negative 3x is equal to negative 42.
42.
That is the previous question. E. Which one you are asking? This question. This one, it is of E. Answer of E. I'll send it today. Okay. This notes I'll send because without notes you cannot understand these problems. I'll send you the question and answers. But write it now. If you write it only, you will understand now. Okay. Simply if you copy, you won't understand. Do it yourself now. Then when you see the question, you will understand how to do it. Okay. So all of you have to write the answers now.
I mean, this question 2x will be there, right?
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Which one? Which one you are asking? Which question? Question is there on the board. Can't you see?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you bring that.
I'll zoom it. Zoom it then. Is it okay now?
Ma'am, it's clear.
It's already clear.
Clear. Okay.
No, ma'am, you took that colors option, right? So,
No, I am just.
ma'am, you took that.
Now
You bring like this.
you want me to make it in the middle?
Not that, ma'am. When you take that, when you bring that ring, we cannot see the
You
question.
select the options, right?
Now is
For
it clear?
changing the color, taking the eraser and
Yes, ma'am, now it's okay.
Now it's
Now
okay.
it's clear.
When you bring that circle,
Yes, ma'am, it's clear, no problem.
Okay. Now we'll continue with that. See the next question. So Embelaine thinks of a number. She adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5. So she will get 8. Johain, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Y plus 9 divided by 5 is equal to 8.
Very good. Y plus, that is very feeble color. You cannot see. I'll take another one. Yeah, y plus 19. The whole, the sum, it is given. See, in all things of a number, if she adds 19 to it, we added 19 to the number y and divides the sum. Sum is divided by 5. She will get 8. Okay. We wrote the sentence into mathematical sentence. What was it? A number, when it is added, if she thinks of a number, she adds 19 to it. So let the number be y. Let the number, that sentence you have to write, okay. Let the number be, what she thinks. Let the number what she thinks be y. Let the number be y. Let the number be equal to y. So y plus 19, that is the sum of both. That is divided by 5. Then what she will get? 8. So equal to 8. Now y plus 19 equals what? 5 we have to take to other side. So 8 into 5.
8 into 5.
So we get y plus
answer.
yeah.
21 is the answer.
We get
21 is answer.
21.
yeah. So answer is 21. We get y plus 19 is equal to 40. So what is y? 40 minus 19. You will get y as 21. Y is equal to 21. You will get. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question. Malavika, can you answer? Malavika. Next question. G. Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23. So let the number be K. Okay. Let the number be K. K. Think of the answer.
K minus 7.
Malavika, I am asking Malavika, only Malavika have to say. Okay.
Yes,
Wait.
ma'am.
Malavika said?
No, ma'am.
Let her say. Otherwise I won't get any individual response. I want to know whether everybody is involved in this.
It is K, right?
K, K. Let the number be K. K. Anwar thinks of a number. He takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of that number. The result is 23. You write it in a mathematical sentence.
5 by 2 K.
Malavika, is it Malavika answering?
No.
No. Yes, I'll ask. Wait. Malavika, can you answer it or should I pass it to another person?
Ma'am, 5 by 2 K minus 7 is equal to 23.
Okay, 5 by 2 K minus 7 is equal to 23. Correct. 5 by 2 K minus 7 is equal to 23. Now solve it. Find out the answer. See the background.
Ma'am, 12.
Answer is 12. Correct. Who told the answer? Amal?
Pranav.
Who told?
Pranav.
Pranav. Okay.
There,
Good.
Pranav.
So answer is 12. Solve it, you will get. Okay. Like this. 5 by 2K equals 7 we'll take to other side. 23.
I can't see the color properly.
Color is not good. Okay. Uh, 5 by 2K is equal to 23 plus 7. So 5 by 2K is equal to how much? 23 plus 7, so 30. Now K is equal to 30 into reciprocal of this, 2 by 5. You know, you understood what is the reason?
Yes.
Because 5 by 2, it is multiplied here. When you take to the other side, we will divide with 5 by 2. What is the meaning of division? Multiply by the reciprocal. So that is why this multiply by 2 by 5 came. Okay. That is the reason why we are multiplying with 2 by 5. Here it is multiplication. In the left side, it is multiplication. So when you take it to the right side, we have to divide with 5 by 2. So what is division? Reciprocal. Multiply by the reciprocal. That is why don't think of too much, you will be confused. So what to do? If it is 5 by 2 here, when you take to this side, it will become 2 by 5. Multiply with 2 by 5. That's all. Okay. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
answer 5.
Final answer.
5 into 6, 12. Sorry, 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 2, 12. Answer 12.
Ma'am, I wrote in another way.
30 into 2, 60. 60
Yeah,
by
ma'am,
5.
I wrote like
12.
that. 60 divided by 5.
Okay, that is also correct. No problem. You want
Ma'am,
me
I
to,
also got 12.
you want me
But
to do
in
it
another
again?
way.
Yeah. Which way it is?
I wrote
Okay,
first
okay.
23 plus 7.
Yeah. Understood. Okay. I'll do it again. It is not clear. Somebody told it is not clear and all. So once more, I'll do it neatly. Look at this. We are framing the equation with Anwar thinks of a number. He takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. So 5 by 2, what was the number x? No, k. So 5 by 2 k minus 7 equals 23. So 5 by 2 k equals 23 plus 7. So 5 by 2 k will get 30.
30.
So k is equal to 30 into 2 by 5. 5, 6 times in 30. So 6 into 2, 12 answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we get the answer as 12. Clear? Now
Mama,
we pass
fan
on.
off ചെയ്യാൻ വെറുതെ കറണ്ട് വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ട്.
Tanmay.
See, everybody is hearing what you are talking at home. Okay. Okay, children. So next one. Next type of problem it is same thing, but it will be, you will be given the answer also. You have to find the variable. Just see that
Ma'am.
question. Yes.
Ma'am, in question G, right?
Yes.
In question G, I made a mistake by making this equation first.
Which one?
Ma'am, question G, right?
Question G. Yes.
In question G, I framed the equation in wrongly. I mean, incorrectly.
What was the equation you made?
I wrote like this: k minus 7 minus 5 by 2. I wrote something like that.
That is wrong. That is wrong.
Ma'am, so how will I identify if
No, you have to
it is
read.
like this?
See, you have to read the question thoroughly and think. First thing what you have to do is, what is the unknown you have to see. Here in the question, it is not asked to find anything. Anwar thinks of a number. So you in mind you have to say, let this be the number. Any letter you can use. Okay, any letter, any alphabet you can use. Okay, so simply I told take K, so that everybody's answer is same. Okay, any letter you can suppose as Anwar's number. Let Anwar's number be T. Okay, then what is told? If he takes away 7 from what? From 5 by 2 of the number. So 5 by 2 of the number means, what is the number? Number is given as T. So 5 by 2 of the number means 5 by 2 into T. From that, he took 7. That is the question. You should have the ability to read and understand what is told in the question. That is one difficulty in this type of problem. It is a difficulty. Okay. You should know to read and understand.
I made a mistake only in this question.
Only this type of question have some problem like this. It's not easy. It's very easy if you can understand.
Only this question, 8.
Yeah.
E, F and all I got. EF.
Yes, other questions are coming. Okay. So this type of questions will come. You have to think in the proper way. Otherwise, you won't get the equation correctly.
Ma'am, you are going to take
this. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to think like this.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, read the question correctly. Read the question thoroughly. Then only go for framing equation. Suddenly, you cannot do anything in a hurry. So next slide I'll take. I cleared everything.
Ma'am, you are going to take attendance?
Yeah, what is the time? 2:11, no? 2:20, no? Your time? Time is there. Your time is 2 till 2:20, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll stop by 2:15. It is. Okay, anyway, one problem we can see. One more problem we'll see in that. Otherwise, you won't reach with other classes. This one we did now. Next set is this. Yeah. Solve the following. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble of Parmit has. We have done this. If Irfan has 37 marbles, how many marbles does Parmit have? Okay, you can frame this After that, we can solve this. Can you frame the equations? 2, we know already this one. Okay, we have done this. In the beginning of this chapter, we have framed the equation. We didn't solve it. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Irfan's number is given. He have 37 marbles. So what is the question? Check what is the question. How many marbles does Parmit have? So we write, suddenly we can write, let Parmit have X marbles. Okay, that is the question. So that is the unknown. So write it there. Clear? That is the question. That is the unknown thing. So write that as X.
Plus 7.
So what is the question? Then Irfan has how many marbles? Number of marbles with Irfan.
37.
Marbles with Irfan. Irfan, it is
6 marbles.
37. 37. Okay. So how many marbles does Parmit have? So
6.
what is the equation? What is the equation?
37.
What is the equation? Can anybody tell what is the equation? X is the number Parmit has.
7 plus
5x
37.
7 plus x into 5 is equal to 37.
Irfan says 7 marbles more than 5 times marbles Parmit has.
5x.
5x plus 7 is equal to 37.
7 equals
37.
Equal to 37.
Read the question and read the expression. Then you will
The
understand.
answer is 6.
6.
So what is the question? Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times marbles he have, Parmit have. So answer is, solve it. 5x is equal to 37 minus 7. 5x is equal to 30. So what is x? X is equal to 30 by
30 divided
5.
6 marbles.
X is equal to 6. 6 marbles. Okay. Answer is 6 marbles. 6 marbles. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we shall stop it here. I'll send you the notes. Okay. I'll send you the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send you the notes. That's better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, you will not understand. I am going to take the attendance. Okay, children. So let me take the attendance. So did you understand this type of problems?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because you have to read and understand the question properly, otherwise it is difficult. Okay. You should think and answer it.